बच्चों, इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम आपको मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं ये बताएंगे हम आपको। पिछले लेक्चर में आपने नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या होता है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है, आपने ये देखा था। यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन और मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन से हम मीन और वेरिएंस कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे ये हम यहाँ देखेंगे। आप सभी ने अभी जस्ट पिछले लेक्चर वीडियो में ये देखा कि प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर नॉर्मल के लिए px इज इक्वल टू 1 सिग्मा रूट 2 पाई e टू द पावर माइनस 1 बाई ये होता है। चूंकि यह नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंटिन्यूस होने की वजह से यह x जो वेरी करता है माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी एग्जिस्ट करता है। So now the moment generating function about mean, as you know by the definition of moment generating function, this is m0t is minus infinity to infinity integration over minus infinity to infinity e to the power tx fx dx. In place of fx we will put px. So now in px the value of px with this, so replace this fx by px and px by this, we will obtain this. So here this is equal to 1 upon sigma root 2 pi is independent of x. So we can take outside of the integration 1 upon sigma root 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power tx this dx. So now to solve this, let us put z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. Let us put the value of x minus mu upon sigma becomes z. So in place of this we will put z square, and after simplification this dz is equal to dx upon sigma. So now dx is equal to sigma dz. In place of dx we will put sigma dz, and in place of x we will put sigma z plus mu, sigma z plus mu. So after simplification everything e to the power t mu is independent of z. So again taken outside of the integration e to the power mu t upon this, and this sigma cancel with this sigma. So now this is e to the power t sigma z minus this. So in the next line we will make the perfect square of the exponential power. So after adding this and this, adding and subtracting sigma square t square sigma square t square, we will obtain like this. Here these three terms from here to here, this becomes z minus this to the power whole square dz, and this taken outside of the integration because of this is independent of z, so this becomes e to the power mu t half this. So now since integrand is a even function, so now this minus infinity to infinity changed to 2 times 0 to infinity e to the power this. So now to solve this, let us put 1 upon root 2 z minus t sigma is equal to y. So in place of this we will put y, and after differentiating this 1 upon root 2 dz is equal to dy. So dz is equal to root 2 dy, and this value becomes e to the power minus y square, and this is well known expression 0 to infinity e to the power minus y square dy. This is well known expression. This value becomes root pi by 2. This is root pi by 2. So now from here on the next page, after simplification we will obtain m0t is equal to this. This is the moment generating function of the normal distribution. So this is the required moment generating function for normal distribution of normal. Now From this moment generating function, we can obtain moments. So now to get the mean, we will find first moment about origin nu 1. Nu 1 is the first derivative with respect to t at t equal to 0. Now after differentiating this, putting this value from here to here, and after differentiating this, we will obtain first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function at t equal to 0. By putting t equal to 0, this becomes e to the power 0 1, e to the power 0 1, and due to this whole expression becomes 0. And now here the second expression e to the power 0 becomes 1, e to the power 0 becomes 1 into mu. It means this only nu 1 becomes mu. It means mean is equal to mu. इससे पहले बताया जा चुका है कि नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का जो मीन होता है वो म्यू होता है. Similarly, nu 2 it means the second derivative of moment generating function, second derivative m0t at point t equal to 0. So now again differentiating this first derivative with again, so now we will obtain like this expression. See, think upon it, this expression, first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Again use the product rule. Again from here first function differentiation of second. So like this, after putting t equal to 0, we will obtain sigma square plus mu square. So now nu 2 is a sigma square plus mu 2 square. So as we know the variance in previous lesson, module 3rd, we have learned about this. Variance is equal to mu 2 is equal to nu 2 minus nu 1 square. Nu 2 is a sigma square plus mu 2 is mu square minus, and nu 1 is always also be mu. So nu 1 square be mu square cancel with mu square. We will obtain mu 2 is equal to sigma square. So now this is the variance. Mu 2 is equal to sigma square. So now standard deviation be the root over the variance. It means that sigma is the standard deviation. जैसा कि हमने स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको बताया था, म्यू मीन होता है और सिग्मा स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन होता है. अगले लेक्चर में हम इस पे बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे. तो इस तरह से आपने 2 लेक्चर में, एक में आपने डेफिनेशन देखा, दूसरे में आपने मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन से हम मोमेंट्स और वेरिएंस कैसे निकालेंगे. हमने बाइनोमियल, पॉइसन और नॉर्मल तीनों केस में मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन के थ्रू मोमेंट मीन और वेरिएंस निकालना, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन निकालना सिखाया है. इन तीनों प्रॉब्लम से एक क्वेश्चन आपके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम में कंफर्म रहेगा. अगले लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके.